So, what did she joke here, children? She used to say that mine is a large family and I have to run fast as the others to be in the dining table first. So, another champion who suffered a lot as a boy was Rafa Johnson. When he was only 12, his left leg was badly crushed in a machine. The front of one of the toes was hanging out as though it would fall off. The surgeon who treated him feared that the entire leg might have to be cut off. Rafa was very much upset. All the time he was in bed, he prayed to God for his mercy. He grew better day by day, and the surgeon could finally save his leg, but did not heal completely. So, as Wilma Rodolph, here we had another such differently disabled champion was Rafa Johnson, children. His leg was badly crushed in a machine when he was 12 years old. When he was 12 years old, his leg got badly crushed. The tip of one of his toes was hanging as though it would fall off. What happened? The toe was hanging. The tip of one of his toes was hanging as though it would fall off. The doctors feared that they would have to amputate his entire leg. They had to cut off means to amputate his entire leg. But his prayers to God and his determination to survive saved his leg but did not heal properly. However, he prayed to God, but he could not survive properly. Later on, what happened? Rafa's interest in sport was so strong that he did not worry about his weak leg. So, his interest towards sports was very strong enough, and he did not worry about his weak leg, children. He often had difficulty in wearing spike shoes. So, here the one problem he had that is he could not wear the spike shoes. Later on, what happened? But this did not stop him from having regular practice. But though, however, it was, he never stopped his regular practice. He worked hard day and night and was finally selected for the Olympics. Poor chap. So, what happened here? He worked very hard. Day and night, he worked hard and finally he was selected for the Olympics. He took part in the decathlon and won the first place. So, what happened, children, here? He took part in the decathlon and won the first place. He was called the greatest all round athlete in the world. What was he called here? So, here, what happened? He did not stop. He got selected. He took part in the decathlon. Decathlon means a sporting event in which people complete in 10 different sports. That is called as decathlon. And he won the first place here, children. He was called the greatest all round athlete in the world. What was he called? He was called greatest all-rounder athlete in the world. So this was done by who? Rafa Johnson. So later on, what happened? Here, both these champions had a dream. They set themselves a goal to achieve the dream. They worked with a will to reach this goal. Their dreams came true and they became world famous athletes. So both the champions, who are the both the champions here? Wilma Rudolph and Rafa Johnson. They became as they dreamt. As they dreamed, they were champions. They set themselves a goal to achieve the dream. They had to set a goal. They worked with a will to reach this goal. Their dreams came true and they became world famous athletes. Now you got it, I hope, children. In spite of a weak leg, Rafa took a great interest in sports. He found it difficult and comfortable to wear spiked shoes, but he never stopped the regular practice. So he was selected for the Olympics here. He won the gold medal for the decathlon. What do you mean by decathlon, children? As I said you all, decathlon is a competition where athletes. What happens here? Where the athletes will participate in 10 sports. That is called as decathlon. Understood? So what happened here? And here declared the greatest all found athlete of the world. Both Wilma Rudolph and Raffo Johnson strived to make their dreams a reality and became famous athletes. So now we understood the whole lesson. I'll ask you all to read one by one, children. So after that, we can go for the glossaries. Have a nice day. Bye, children.